Introducing the latest tool to the Tractormonkey family. This is a John Deere 1025R subcompact tractor. This is a 2018 model. They started coming out with the 2018 features around late fall of 2017. There's a lot of updated features I'm going to show you. This one has a 120R front end loader, which they came out with last summer. It's got a 53-inch quick attach bucket. It's got the 260B backhoe, which is brand new. One of the most striking features you'll see right off is the tilted ROPS. That's another new feature. I'm not sure that it makes the overall height any shorter. I haven't measured it yet, but I do not know if it will actually fit under a standard garage door opening yet. I haven't tried it. One of the biggest changes is the backhoe. The 260B backhoe has gone through a lot of changes. The most notable is the fact that it now has a dedicated seat. The older model, you turn the driver's seat around, it swiveled, so you could operate the backhoe. One new feature are these steps that are now incorporated into the design, so it helps you get up in the seat easier, handhold. The locking pins are now accessible from the seat. You can sit in the seat, reach over, take the pins out, and then store them over here, and you don't have to get out of the seat. Another new feature are the locking mechanism for the stabilizers. Now you don't have to worry about them sagging over time as the hydraulic pressure bleeds off. The controls now have a rubber boot. One of the other new features is upgraded hydraulic cylinders. One selling point they have now is they're supposed to be rebuildable. They also have a built-in cushioning effect when you hit the stop, as opposed to the other older model. They've rerouted the hoses. They no longer lay on the platform for your feet to get in the way. One feature is the locking pin. This locking pin right here that you take out to remove the backhoe now comes out from the inside instead of pulling out from the outside. These hoses here have been repositioned. This has got a 54-inch drive-over auto connect deck. This is your four-wheel drive. This knob here controls the rate of drop on the three-point hitch. Of course, this is your three-point hitch lever. In order to open the hood now, You have this place right here. You can put a screwdriver or your key to pop the hood up. Your gas gauge, your PTO select. This is your low and high range transmission. Another change is the graphics on the height adjustment for the mower deck. They've gone to kind of universal symbols. Instead of saying install, it's got a picture of a tractor running over a deck. I guess for those who don't speak English. This is your four-wheel drive lockup. One feature this has that's optional and is dealer installed, doesn't come standard with the tractor. This particular version here, to raise and lower the deck, it's got a switch here, rocker switch. It's called the independent hydraulic lift system, as opposed to the mechanical lift system on the standard version, where you use the 3-point hitch lever to raise and lower your deck. Now your 3-point and your deck are operated independently from each other. Another change is the Pto Engagement Switch is now a rocker switch instead of a pull knob. It could be the reason they changed that. I've seen people sort of defeat the RIO by holding the knob up and putting a clothespin under it, which would keep it from functioning like they want it to. So I think that could be why they went to a rocker switch, so you couldn't do that. This is your parking brake. This is your cruise control, of course, throttle, for those that are not familiar with the tractor at all. Let's take a look under the hood. So, I don't know if you can see that. You just take something and push, your hood pops up. There's your battery, air cleaner, muffler. Of course, you got your shield here, your debris shield. One feature I like about the stabilizers, let me crank it up and I'll show you. When you want to unlock the stabilizer, you hold this lever up. I don't know if I can do this and hold the camera at the same time, but I'll give it a try. Okay, when you retract the stabilizer back up, they automatically lock into the storing position, which is nice. I like that feature. So there you have it. If you like this video, if you'd like to see any other features about the tractor, leave a comment and I'll try to make a video explaining. Thanks for watching.